What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Gerald from Bank of Gerald here with another video update. Today's update on January 12th, 2022, we're going to talk about Intelligence Prime Capital, where we are right now, some of the news that we heard yesterday. We're just going to recap some of that. Still waiting to hear an official word from IP Capital that this is going to happen, but we've heard it through the grapevine, so the best thing to do is prepare ourselves either way, right? And then, of course, I'm going to show you guys how I'm taking some of the earnings that I'm receiving from referral commissions and stuff like that and putting them right back into my MT4 account, for those of you that don't know, all right? So I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, and I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a dude on YouTube that's showing you guys how I'm cranking out that crypto in many, many different platforms, nothing more and nothing less. If y'all like this content, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that notification bell as well if you want to be notified about everything going on here at BOJ. All right, let's get into it. So Intelligence Prime Capital, I'm going to just start with the announcement that could be taking place. I haven't heard an official word from IP Capital yet, but here's what I'm hearing. I'm hearing that wherever you are on the 17th, all right, you're no longer going to be grandfathered into the next level. They were debating this. They were talking about this, and they said they don't feel that it would be right to have people who hadn't put that skin in the game be the leaders of this company. And, of course, some may say, well, I put in the work in the group sales and the personal sales. You know, I should be at this level. And part of me agrees with you, and part of me understands that in real leadership, you really have to sacrifice more than you think you do. So it's not really a sacrifice either. Well, it is a sacrifice. There's always a risk involved in these platforms. Don't get me wrong, okay? As you guys can see, I have $16,166 in my MT4 trading account right now. And for me to get where I want to be, I have to have 20,000 in there. Now, some of you would be like, whoa, ain't no way I'm putting in 20,000. But if you guys shared the belief level that I believe, if you've seen the Genius Bot trading at the level that it's trading, you might reconsider. Now, back to what they were saying. So the grandfathered in thing, what they were saying at first was whatever rank you got in, whatever rank that you are on the 17th, that's the rank that you will stay until you promote in the new way of things, right? And what I was saying was that should inspire a few of you to go out there and really run while you have an opportunity to grow your group sales and personal sales and your individual turnover. Your self investment doesn't have to be anything more than $100 at this point. Well, that is not going to be the case any longer after the 17th. So I'm hearing right now. So here's what my recommendation is. If you are still a person that believes that you want to be a high-ranking person in this company, you need to decide to future-proof yourself. Let me say that again. You need to decide to future-proof yourself. And here's what I mean by that. Control what you can control. If you want to be at some of these higher levels, sometimes you got to just decide, hey, I'm going to go ahead and put what it takes to get to those higher levels. And some of you may be asking what exactly that is. And we've touched on that on pretty much all the other videos that we've done in the last week or so. We've talked about what the new credentials and the new requirements are to reach these levels. We noticed that there is a self-investment gain. There is also, as you get further down the line, there's personal sales and group sales numbers that have increased. So I'm going to show you guys that now. I'm going to show you guys that now, what they are. All right. So we look here. Now, on this page, it does say any rank achieved prior to the 17th will be grandfathered. And I'm also hearing that that is what has been changed. It will not be grandfathered. I'm not sure if I can, like, take this out or something. I'm not sure. Anyway, so just looking at this right now, just to get the supervisor, you need a personal investment of $500 at the very least. If you want to get a department manager, you want a self-investment of $3,000. So depending on what level you see yourself at, what numbers do you want to make? Do you want to be making that residual coin up in the managing director and shareholder director's position? Do you just want to be upping your personal percentage in what comes under you as you go up? Like supervisor moves to 6, senior manager moves to 7, department manager moves to 8. At this current moment right now, everyone is making 10% off of everything that comes under them. That is going to change as well on the 17th, all right? So I say this to say this. I say that to say this. Those of you that want to be in leadership position in this company, now might be the best time to future-proof yourself. Decide where you want to be. Decide what self-investment works for you. Decide if you believe in IP capital. If you do, then future-proof yourself. Me personally, I believe that I want to be a shareholder director. So in order for me to do that, I need to at least have 20K of skin in the game. And I'll be excited when I get to that place. And I know I'll get there before the 17th. I have promised myself that I will be doing that. And then whatever happens after the 17th, we'll just have to wait and see. If group sales goes up, great. Personal sales goes up, great. We're going to continue to talk about this thing and share success stories and all of that good stuff. And if bad things happen, we'll share that too. All right? So with that being said, I just want to remind everyone to put your 2FA. Oh, I'm not really done yet. Let me go back. I'm ahead of myself. But definitely put your 2FA on all the platforms that will allow you and all your wallets, because crypto is the Wild Wild West. I will share that. Now, let's get into making a transaction from the USDT wallet to the MT4 trading account. All right, for those of you that are still watching. So what you want to do after you've funded your account, and some of you see this funding tab, you want to fund your account first. This is coming from referrals and different things that I get every day, all right? So I go to internal transfer. I would then go to the amount, and of course my balance is sitting right there, reflected for me, so I can just type that in, what I want to put into my trading account. Then all I have to do is put in my 2FA. And shoot, there it is, already done. So if I go back to my dashboard now, you will see the increase in my MT4 trading account. All right, I now have $16,242 in my MT4 trading account, and I'm excited about that. I truly am. I truly am. All right. With that being said, let's go and look at the reports. The last thing I want to do is I want to show the trades from last night. Let's go ahead and see if we have won. Let's see if the trading bot is still undefeated. Because right now, since I've been in, it's done nothing but win. So let's look at it. We've got 3 trades from January 11th. One of them is $16 profit. One of them was $101 profit. And the last one, well, the first one really, is $71.66 worth of profit. Let's go back and look on the 10th, just for giggles. $8 profit, $37 profit, $71 profit. This bot has not lost yet. All right. You can even look at it on the MT4 trading account if you have it linked. If you have your MT4 trading account linked, you can see. All right. For the day. Boom. Y'all see it. Profit of $189. Of course, you can see that balance of $76.24 that have been added to the count that I just added a few minutes ago, a few seconds ago, actually. All right. That being said, we already went over 2FA stuff, but please put it on your wallets and your platforms that will allow you, because crypto is the Wild Wild West. And if you ain't strapped, you're bound to get hacked. Ask me how I know. If you like this content, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you want to be notified about everything going on here at BOJ, hit the notification bell as well, all right? Intelligence Prime Capital is still doing its thing. There's a few changes that we foresee in the future. It's January 12th. These changes are coming in 5 days on January 17th. Let's all be prepared. Let's all future-proof ourselves if we believe in Intelligence Prime Capital. I'm one of those people that do. All right, I've already done my first withdrawal and everything, and it literally got to my account in less than 30 minutes. So I'm looking forward to the future, and I hope a lot of you are too. All right, I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.